Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are a minimalist family who is living big with less, and today I have a power hour for you. So basically, I'm sure you've seen these before, but basically it's just 1 hour where you get all the things done. And I love this type of thing. I love beating the clock. I love giving myself a challenge. I love getting a lot of stuff done in a really short amount of time. So this is right up my alley. And whenever I am feeling a bit slow or unproductive, whatever the case may be, I love to do a good power hour. And then afterwards, I can relax a bit, or I know that I've gotten a huge chunk of my to-do list done in a really short amount of time. So I'm going to show you how I get it done, share with you some things that I find helpful for making the most out of your power hour. So the first thing I do is I don't use the clock as my timer. I actually use the timer on my phone. That way, if I get a phone call or if a toddler needs me, if he wakes up from his nap and he's upset, I can pause that and still go back to it and get stuff done. So if you are someone who has lots of things going on in life and unpredictable interruptions, this tip will really help. So today, we just had one of those mornings where it was super crazy. I had kids at before school things. I had to stay on at the school for an event, and so things were a bit higgledy-piggledy, but we're gonna get it all fixed up so that when we get home, our nighttime routine is gonna go on point. We're also going away for the weekend, so that will put us in good stead to have a clean house. I can start packing, all that jazz, ready to go away, and we'll be good to go. So guys, let's get this power hour started. If you are playing along with me, you guys can set your timers and we will clean and get all the things done today. Let's get started. Okay guys, before I get started, I always like to write a quick list out. So on my list today, I want to get the whole house picked up. I want to fold any dry clothes that we have, as well as clean the washing machine, tackle the girls' room, and then I have a few other jobs that I would like to get done if I have time. I've just had a cup of coffee because, of course, and now I'm going to start my timer ready to get this done. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over. I love to start with jobs like this, whether it's picking up toys or getting rid of dirty clothes. Jobs where you can see the results really quickly help me to stay motivated and tackle some of those little fiddly jobs that have been lingering around because I've already seen some of the results. Just the way you came, don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars. Hamish is a great little helper, and jobs like this, he's actually just using the little Connect 4 pieces and putting them into an old coffee tin, and this is a great way to help with his fine motor skills as well as keep him busy for a few minutes. Just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back. I almost always include my kitchen as part of my power hour because A, it's usually got stuff to be cleaned up, and B, it's the center of our homes, and so I would hate to finish a power hour and then have to come back and clean up a messy kitchen. So I find that the kitchen never takes as long as I think it's going to, and it also sets me up for a great day, for a clean slate once I've done the kitchen. If you are a bit of a perfectionist like me, the power hour is a great way to focus on speed and getting jobs done and less about it being perfect. Because I'm racing against the clock, I'm just trying to see how much I can get done in the time, and it helps me to relax a little bit and just focus on getting the jobs done.
Shining, you're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you can.
I am always surprised at how little you see of the actual dirt that is on my floor when I video these clean with me's. So just in case you're wondering, there is so many crumbs, so much dirt that gets brought into our house. It's just the camera doesn't pick it all up.
Cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are, just the way you are, oh, just the way you
As you can see, guys, the girls' room was actually in really good shape. I just like to go through at least once a week and give it a mummy clean. That way everything gets back into the place it belongs, as well as anything that doesn't belong in their room I can take out. And then I find that this sets the girls up to maintain their room really well on the days that I don't go in and clean it.
Arms and I still want you back, want you back. Some say that love don't hurt, but I've got you stuck in my memory. Some say that hearts come first, but they've never known what it's like to be in love at 20 years old. We kiss in the rain till we catch a cold.
This is where the girls keep all their little keepsakes, things that they've made, and their little money boxes. So I'm just giving it a little tidy for them, as well as tidying up their clothes boxes. So this is what they use instead of drawers, and they do stay relatively clean, but I'm just giving them a little touch up.
I can't sleep without you.
My toddler was due to go down for his nap, so I just paused my power hour to get him to sleep, and now I'm straight back to work.
Can't you save my soul? Can't you save my soul? Can't you mend my heart? Can't you mend my heart?
Mopping my floors wasn't on my initial to-do list, but when I saw how much time I had left, it was something I really wanted to get done. I just find that after I've mopped my floors, the whole house feels so much cleaner. I have tried every single mop on the market, and a steam mop is by far my favorite. It's so quick, it dries so quickly, and it leaves the floors just feeling super clean, like it's picked up all that dirt and dust that sits on our floors and gets rid of it. It's one of the most satisfying jobs I can think of. This is a job I had been meaning to tackle for quite a while, and I'm just going to run a washing machine cleaner through my machine. I absolutely love this DITL 5-in-1. Super easy to use. It disinfects the machine and leaves it smelling and running beautifully.
This is the call that you've been.
I'm going to be honest, guys, I can be a laundry folding procrastinator. It's very rare I will backlog on dirty laundry, but the folding side of it, I can let it go way too long. So today, when I've set myself a timer and I'm just trying to get all the jobs done, it is a perfect way for me to tackle this job and make sure everything gets done and put away within this short timeline.
We kiss in the rain till we catch a cold. Some say that love don't hurt, but I want you back, cause I got you stuck in my memory. I got you stuck in my memory. I got you stuck in my memory.
An hour is not a lot of time, but I'm always surprised at what I can achieve in 1 hour, especially if I've got a to-do list and a determined attitude. So if you guys are looking for some motivation, a power hour is definitely a great motivator.
About takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't have
have done pretty much everything on my list and some. I got those floors mopped, I got the whole house vacuumed, the girls' room all tidy, as well as getting my washing machine clean and everything put away. So I actually still have 5 minutes left, which is going to give me just enough time to pop this stuff away and move the stools back. So I hope that this has given you some encouragement. If you would like any more cleaning motivation, I have plenty of videos and I'll link some of those here. If you're new, we would absolutely love to have you subscribe and join our YouTube family, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.